ground beef, egg noodles, and melted cheese, all baked together into the most incredible comfort dinner you have ever tasted. Hey friends, today we're going to cook together a simple, easy hamburger bake casserole. So this is a great dinner. You're going to use up your ground beef, some egg noodles. We're going to layer in some cream of chicken soup in there, some cheese. We're going to season up the ground beef. It's a very simple, easy recipe. So if you're looking for a recipe for ground beef and an easy dinner, this one's for you. Let's get into it. We begin by boiling our water and cooking our egg noodles to the package instructions. I'm going to give them a good stir here. I've got boiling water, a little bit of salt in the water. Next, I'm going to add olive oil to a frying pan. I'm going to add my diced up onion, and I'm going to let that cook until the onions become translucent. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. There's the pepper there, and a little bit of salt to season it up here. And we're going to fry up these onions, and we're going to add in some minced garlic after the onions get on their way here. And here comes the ground beef. So I've tossed my pound of hamburger there on the cooked onions. And now the hamburger is browned up. So I'm going to add in my cream of chicken soup. We've got 2 cans. Here's the first can. And then I'm going to layer in that second can. And we're just going to let this heat up with the ground beef. We don't have to cook it real heavy or anything, because it is going to go into the oven eventually. But we just want to kind of marry it up and warm it up here with the seasoned ground beef. And hey, listen, if you love cooking with me as much as I enjoy cooking with you, please hit that like and subscribe button so I can see a little bit more of you. So here we go. We're just mixing in that cream soup into the ground beef and onion. I've got my heat on at about medium, and you can kind of just see that soup kind of melting in with that hot meat. So we're going to continue just to let this kind of combine, and then we're going to take this meat mixture and then just basically just kind of set it aside. So our noodles have all cooked. We're going to prep our 9 by 13 pan here with some cooking spray. So we're greasing the pan. We're going to take our cooked noodles and dump them in the bottom of that greased pan. I'm going to kind of level it out here with my kitchen claws. And then we're going to bring in that meat and soup mixture and just pour it right over the top of those egg noodles. Like, it is already looking good, isn't it? I'm going to take my kitchen claws here, and I'm going to mix all of that meat and soup mixture in with the egg noodles. And this is just a very basic hamburger noodle bake casserole. And now the recipe doesn't call for peas, but I do have some frozen peas in the freezer. And you could add any favorite vegetables into this. It's very customizable, which I love. So I'm going to use up my frozen peas. Looks like I need to add a little bit more here. I didn't put enough in. But if you have a favorite vegetable, or if it's mushrooms, or if it's carrots or green beans, go ahead and add it in. Or you do not have to add in the vegetables, because the recipe does not call for vegetables. It's just kind of fun to improvise. Plus, you get to use up some uh, um, ingredients that you may have in your kitchen. So we're going to toss this together, make sure it's well combined. I'm going to even it out here. So I'm pushing the casserole back up into the corners of the pan, and then I'm going to layer it with my cheese on top. So we love cheese where I come from, so we can kind of layer it on a little bit thick. But I'm going to make sure that that's all evened out. Now, this casserole is covered when it bakes into the oven, so I am going to cover it here with some tin foil. There's my first piece and my second piece. And we are going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees. And we're going to we're going to cook this casserole for 40 minutes. All right, friends, here is our hamburger noodle bake all out of the oven. I did let it set up for a couple minutes, and it is looking delicious. So we're going to take a bite here together. And it has been fun cooking with you today. And I want to thank you for watching. So let's get this. Oh, yeah, look at that. Now, I put some peas in here, and you don't have to do that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Look at that nice seasoned ground beef, those creamy, buttery, savory noodles. I mean, that is delicious. So let's talk about peas again. I just had some frozen peas in the freezer. And so this is another recipe where you can add some mixed vegetables. I thought, oh boy, I have a can of mushrooms or some fresh mushrooms. I'd love to add that in here. So it is a recipe that is cheesy, but it is a recipe. It is a recipe that you can certainly customize. I mean, you've got some things in the house, dump it in the casserole. That's why I love casseroles. It's almost like a vintage recipe. Oh yeah, look at that cheese. It smells so good.
It does.
Mm-hmm. Easy ground beef dinner, and it is delicious. And I'm not a big pea fan, but I didn't even mind the pea in there. So if you do like those vegetables, load them up in here. So you've got
for the cameraman.
Right, the cameraman likes peas. Anyway, so you've got that seasoned ground beef that we cooked on the stove together, right? All layered in there with that cheese and the noodles, the cream soups coming together. It is delicious. And some of you might refer to this one as a vintage recipe. This one does go back a little ways, but don't forget to customize it. I'd be so proud of you if you customized it. And let me know in the comments below when you cook it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.